Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You tune into the Market Beast Edition. Fellow composite speaking. Neo we'll be discussing today. It appears that the markets are experiencing some momentum to the upside. We're going to pull up the ascending line of support that we've already gone over. We're also going to look at the 50 and the 200 exponential moving averages on a daily. So stick around for that. Loyal family, pardon me, welcome back. And if you're new here, consider joining the family as we discuss very interesting stocks on the channel. So let's go ahead and see what we have and dive right into the charts here, shall? All right. So today's April the 22nd, 2021, and the current price of NEO is going to be $39.91. It's up approximately 2.6% for the day. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. ASMR, interesting analysis. So, all right. So here's the ascending line, the financial support line. Okay, it's just right there, just hanging out. It appears that NEO has found, looks like it has a triple bottom here. If I just put a horizontal line, I didn't even notice that. This line right there, we got 3 touch points on that level. So that's pretty interesting. So I guess that's why the market is going up right now. It's pretty obvious that the market is headed to the upside, okay? All right, now also as we pull up the exponential moving averages here, if that wasn't obvious enough, I had to just kind of put that there. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is pull up the exponential moving average. Here's the 50. Okay, that's 50 on the daily, and the 200. Okay, so it looks good so far. The NEO market has found support at the 200 exponential moving average, and it appears that it's on its way to the 50 exponential. It's important that NEO actually gets above that line. It's currently at about 42. It's like 42.11, okay? So I'd say that the trajectory will likely continue because, again, we have like some sort of triple bottom situation going on with NEO, and it's likely that it would go ahead and at least test or breach the $42 level. Let me know down in the comment section what's going to happen in the NEO market. Do you think it's going to break through this level, or do you think it's going to get rejected and continue lower? Okay. My speculative observation is suggesting that it will likely continue up to $42 and $43, which is where we would like to enter the market. We're no longer going to let you guys know what side of the market because it appears that a lot of people are very sensitive about when we're entering and exiting the markets. Obviously, to the downside, people don't like that. So we're just going to keep it at that. We're looking to enter the market soon. We're out of the market. We've already played it in an appropriate direction. And you guys have the level, okay? 42. Let's give the market at least less than a week or two. I do see this happening because I'm also noticing a descending line. If you just put something like this, like that, right? Something like that. The market is already broken above that resistance level. So that's pretty interesting. That's actually noteworthy, and it appears that this is a very interesting sign. It may be bullish. So just understand if you see the market go up, let's see how much of a percentage gain that is. It's like 5 or 6% to the upside. Again, $42. So I'm paying close attention to NEO. We're not doing anything just yet. Just kind of watching the beautiful story play out in front of our eyes. And yeah, I just need time. So I just wanted to give you like a quick update. I don't know if I gave you the floor or the area where the financial support stepped in. Okay. 36.14. Will it ever get back to that level? You guys let me know that down in the comment section. All right. So yeah, that's it. I guess the level that it needs to get above to truly just kind of, let me just kind of back out so everyone is just all on the same page. Just a short video on NEO. So we're all clear. Just erase the moving averages there. These are let's pull up the higher time frames. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. So right now it's just kind of consolidating just below the financial support line or potentially on its way to break back through the financial support line. This would be a really good sign because if it gets above this line and it stays above it, then it's likely the overall trend will continue. Remember, the trend is your friend until the end, right? So it will likely, but the obligation would be the same. It must break above and stay above the $65 level. However fast it happens, I'm not sure how to, you guys know I'm horrific with the timing, and in some cases just horrific making calls alone, right? It must really, like truly, I think we already said this like a million times, guys. $45, that level is kind of still around the same of this ascending line here. So yeah, another week or two. I mean, as long as NEO is holding like this relative floor, or like this lower level, rather, if you want to call it a floor or not, like right there, $37 and like $38. If it can just kind of stay above $38, These are weekly candles, so we got about a day and 3 hours to close on this. So I think next week we'll have a new candle opening. Today is, I think, Thursday. Yes. Okay. So Monday morning on the 26th of April, we'll have a brand new, freshly minted candle to potentially continue this momentum to the overall momentum to the upside. That would be nice to see in the NEO market. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully this was useful. Hopefully you have the $38 level, the time frame. I know we've been giving NEO some time, right? Like 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. And it's just, remember, it's just a battle between the two parties. We don't go over anything else if you're new here. We don't go over any fundamentals, guys. Just a beautiful price action. Buyers and sellers. That's all that really matters to me. And the sellers are having a difficult time pushing the price down, and the buyers are just kind of, they're accumulating a lot more of this asset in preparation to move the price to the upside if the sellers can't, follow through, because the sellers stepped in at $68, right? Near the January the 11th, 2021. So now it's the seller's obligation to follow through. They pushed the price down. I think it was like 40%, and now they're having a little trouble here at $38. So what does that mean? Well, if they don't follow through here in a short period of time, then the buyers are just going to continue the trend, right? The trend is your friend to the upside. All right, so hopefully that was useful. I'll keep a close eye on it for you, and we'll probably give you guys an update at least once a week as necessary, depending on if there's some volatility entering the market. So, yeah, we'll keep you guys up to speed. So that's it. Thank you for your time. Leave an appropriate thumb and a comment to support with the YouTube algorithm so they can, pick up on the channel here in the videos. Also, if you're new, before you go, I'd like to send you more information. If you're into Bitcoin and altcoins, we go over that. So subscribe, and we'll send you that when it is available. All right. Once again, thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. It's been nice, and please execute your strategies out there in the markets as you will. It's required to be a part of the channel, the family here. And welcome in. If you're new, just go ahead and let me know you just subscribed so that I can personally welcome you in. And that's it, guys. So take care of yourselves, and we're going to talk soon, and bye for now.